Hi, my name is Melissa Peters, and I'm excited to share an amazing service with you, LegalShield. For more than 50 years, LegalShield has been making a huge difference in so many lives, including my own. Today, we are very proud to protect and empower more than 4.5 million lives throughout all of North America. Now, you might be asking, how do we do that? How can our members have affordable access to the complicated, time-consuming legal system? Well, it's through disruptive innovation. That's when something comes along and it makes things simpler, easier, and more affordable. I want you to think of companies like Amazon, Spotify, and Uber. These companies have made it simpler for us to shop, to listen to our favorite music, and get a more affordable ride. That's what we do, but for legal services. We've made accessing a law firm simpler, easier, and more affordable through our subscription-based model and technology. Now, when it comes to legal issues, most of us will initially think of major legal issues. But you don't need to be defending yourself against charges or a lawsuit to need legal help. A lawyer can help you with everyday issues. For example, have you ever thought about writing or revising your will? Maybe you're just renovating a home and want a lawyer to look over the contracts before you sign them. Or perhaps you're having a dispute with a neighbor regarding property lines or who's responsible for repairing a damaged fence. There are also times when we simply accept a loss because we think it would be just too hard or too time-consuming to fight it. Things like being overcharged for repairs, losing a security deposit, challenging a product warranty, or getting a moving traffic violation. Many of us handle these issues on our own because we think hiring a lawyer would be just too expensive. The reality is, if you could afford a lawyer, you could get professional legal advice to make better decisions, understand your options, and potentially even stop issues from happening down the road. So you see, there are times in life when having a lawyer in your corner isn't just a good idea, it's a necessity. Now, I'm excited to say that LegalShield has 3 plans to fit your needs, so you can select the right plan for you. Starting with the LegalShield Basic Plan will protect you as the member and your spouse. Now, as a member, if you ever have any questions, concerns, or issues, maybe something just doesn't seem fair, you simply tap an app. And with a simple tap of your LegalShield mobile app, you'll get legal advice on your matter. And if you need a little extra help, the provider law firm can write a letter or make a phone call on your behalf to assist in these situations. Many times, a letter on the lawyer's letterhead may be all it takes to end some disputes. Now, what about contracts and documents? How many times have we signed a contract without understanding exactly what we're agreeing to? Whether it's a homeowners association agreement, buying or refinancing a home, renting an apartment, buying a car, or even starting a new job. People likely sign more contracts than we realize, and many of us seldom have a lawyer look them over beforehand. Well, as a LegalShield member, your provider law firm will review personal contracts and documents. They can provide advice if they see any concerns, or even make suggestions to help you from being taken advantage of. With the basic legal plan, members can easily upload a document up to 15 pages to be reviewed. What about planning for the future? There's no better way to protect your family legacy than with proper estate planning. By preparing your documentation, you may give your loved ones less to worry about should the unthinkable happen. And many of us have been searching for an easy and affordable way to have these documents done. There is no easier way than LegalShield. Your law firm will help you prepare your will, your living will, and durable power of attorney. Your membership also helps on and off the road. Need a little bit of help with traffic tickets? Well, the basic legal plan also offers consultation and advice on moving traffic violations. Additionally, members can have courtroom representation for up to 1 traffic ticket per year per member at a flat fee. Now, what would you do if you were sued or named in a civil lawsuit? Defending yourself against a lawsuit could be financially devastating. As a LegalShield member, you have a set number of pretrial and trial hours of your provider law firm's time for those covered civil matters. And if the IRS notifies you that you're being audited on your personal income tax return, your provider law firm can also help. We also understand that life doesn't stop on holidays, weekends, or after 5 p.m. So your provider law firm is also available 24 hours, 7 days a week when you need it for covered emergencies such as being questioned or detained by law enforcement. What about being involved in an automobile accident with injury? Or if the state is attempting to remove your children from your home? You just simply tap your app and be connected to your provider law firm anytime, literally day or night. And as part of your membership, you can get documents e-signed and notarized. Members receive an unlimited number of e-signatures and one online notarization per membership year. And if you need just a little additional help, the basic legal plan members can also get 15% discount off of the provider's standard hourly rate for personal legal matters that aren't already covered by your legal plan, helping to ensure that you're always legally empowered. But what about looking to protect your entire family? Well, the LegalShield Preferred Legal Plan is the best value. Not only do we cover you, but your membership also protects your spouse and eligible dependent children. The Preferred Plan includes everything available in the basic tier, plus more. When dealing with your legal matter, if you don't get the results you wanted after the first time your provider law firm wrote a letter or made a phone call, well, your LegalShield lawyer can make a follow-up letter or phone call per issue. And your law firm will also review larger, more complex documents up to 25 pages, and also includes residential loan document review and tenant lease assistance when it comes to your primary residence. Now, we all know life changes. Have you gotten married, had a child, or bought property in the last year? You can now keep your estate planning up to date. The Preferred Legal Plan not only allows the preparation, but also makes annual updates of your will, your physician's directive, and your durable power of attorney, so you can easily make updates and changes as needed. And after being a member for 180 days, your plan will mature to include additional family services, such as uncontested adoption, uncontested name change, uncontested separation, divorce, or civil annulment. And LegalShield can even help prepare prenuptial and postnuptial agreements. You'll also get more help with traffic tickets. In addition to the advice and consultation, the Preferred Legal Plan offers assistance with 2 moving traffic violations per member per membership year. Now, beyond traffic violations, LegalShield can also help motorists deal with property damage collection and driver's license reinstatement. With the LegalShield's Preferred Plan, you also get double the amount of civil trial defense hours in the event of a civil lawsuit. Plus, if you're concerned about being audited by the IRS, our preferred members receive consultation, advice, and audit representation on a schedule of hours. The improvements don't stop there. You can enjoy even more affordable access to legal services with an increased discount of 25% off your provider law firm's standard hourly rates for personal legal matters that aren't already covered by your preferred plan. And best of all, did I mention that as a direct offer to you, you'll enjoy a discounted price for the Preferred Legal Plan, only available when you simply purchase this plan directly from the LegalShield associate who invited you to see this information today. Finally, the LegalShield Premium Plan offers the most elevated personal legal coverage. It includes everything available under the Preferred Legal Plan and more. LegalShield Premium members can have documents up to 35 pages reviewed by their law firm and an unlimited number of online notarizations. And this plan includes our most robust estate planning options. While a will can determine where your belongings go to, a trust allows you to establish a plan to care for specific people or property. The premium plan includes basic revocable trust preparation for a flat fee of $250, giving you the ability to appoint a trustee to oversee your children, your grandchildren, or your pets. As a LegalShield Premium Plan member, you can also streamline the process of settling your estate through simplified probate. These processes are generally less complicated than the full applications and typically involve same-day approval without a hearing, allowing your family to experience a smoother probate procedure during an already difficult time. In addition, the premium plan can provide advice and representation towards criminal defense for death-related traffic accidents, protecting you and any of your license-covered family members from charges like manslaughter, involuntary manslaughter, negligent homicide, or vehicular homicide while driving. And when it comes to civil lawsuits, premium members start with 100 hours combined of trial and pre-trial hours and their very first year of being a member. On top of all the other benefits that come with LegalShield, every plan includes member perks discounts, letting you save on things you're already buying. So remember, be legal ready for the things that come your way. Please get back with the LegalShield Independent Associate who shared this information with you and select the plan that's right for you and your family.